Hi, welcome back to the course. We're still dealing with importing and exporting data. This time we're going to bring in JSON files. And when would you need to do that? This is for more advanced work, yes, but sometimes you get data that's in a structured format like JavaScript. So let me give you an example. What if you're looking around and investigating the Sinclair broadcast group? They have TV stations all across the country, and you're trying to figure out exactly where they are, what their market size is. So you go to their website, you look around, you're looking for some kind of data on where they're... Oh, here we go. Looks like they have a map on their website. So if you know anything about websites, you can right-click it and get the inspect bar up, and you can kind of browse around. And let's click around the map some more. And you're looking for some sort of indication on where that data is coming from. Let me reload. And I'm clicking on this network. Let's see. And usually it's by size. I want the big one. Aha! So the largest file on this page is Metaverse Station Data. And I click on there and I expand it. And I can see this looks pretty interesting. It's got the call letter, it's got the affiliation, it's got the channel, it's got the DMA, it's got the oh, here we go, it's got location. That might be useful later on if you want to map it. So we want that. Double click that, and now I have a JSON file. Now I could do a lot of cool things if I brought this into R as a data frame. I could count up the number of stations per state, per city. I could do some geospatial analysis on it. So there's a lot of opportunity to play around with this data, but first we need to bring it in. And that's really easy to do thanks to the package called JSON Lite. So, first we need to bring in, I'm in the right directory. So, if you don't have it installed yet, type in install.packages, JSON Lite, run that, load the library, JSON Lite, and the function you need to use is simply from JSON. So, first of all, I'm going to assign... Remember where this URL is for this JSON, and that's here. Okay, so I save that, and I'm going to create a new data frame called stations and assign it to the function from JSON. That's the function, and I pass the URL. That's all I need to do. If it was local, I would just pass on the local location for where it was. JSON URL. And that's it. I now have a data frame. Check that out. So you see how it looks similar to this? Right, you've got call letter, logo list, logo map. It's exactly like that, but now it's in this nice little data frame. So now I can transform it, which I'll show you how to do later on. But let's take a look at the structure of the stations. It's got everything we had. So this is a great start. I showed you how to find a JSON in a website very briefly. There's much better, more thorough ways to do so in other walkthroughs. I suggest you definitely look it up later on. But we also brought it in using JSON Lite, and it's now in our studio for us to play around with. And we can visualize it, we can wrangle it, everything. But we'll show you how to do that later on.